everybody, welcome back to your mats. Diane here. Thank you for coming to my channel. I'm so excited that you're here. I'm a believer of yoga for everyone, self-care, body positive movement and fitness, joyful mindful movement. So if any of this appeals to you even a little bit, then make sure you subscribe, because I upload a body positive, accessible, powerful, fun movement class every single week, and I'd love you to be a part of the Yoga for Everyone family. So today we're going to do a quick meditation, something that you can do hopefully anywhere, just a quick few minutes of meditation and breath, which can help us de-stress. So first of all, find a comfortable seat, a seat you can commit to for at least 5 minutes. And if you need any props around you to either prop up your knees or find stuff that's a little bit more comfortable, sometimes I like bringing my blocks on an angle here and supporting my knees. It feels really comfortable. You can meditate in socks or in a sweater or whatever you need. So just be as comfortable as possible for meditation. So you can do this meditation laying on your back. You can do this meditation sitting in a chair, sitting on the floor. So we don't need to have to sit in lotus pose or do anything special to enjoy our meditation. We simply can sit anywhere and take a few moments to breathe. So find your comfortable seat, whatever that looks like for you. And like I said, something you can commit to for the next few moments. And then go ahead and sit up nice and tall. If you're sitting in a chair, lean back on your chair. I'm gonna set a timer for our meditation, and we're gonna aim for, I think we'll aim for 5 minutes today. What do you think? I think we can do 5 minutes of meditation. I think that's less daunting than trying for 15 minutes of meditation. I find that really hard. So when you're starting out to meditate, here's what I would recommend. Try doing 1 minute at a time. So take 1 minute to breathe, and then the next day add another minute, and then the next day add another minute. So you can do that day to day, or you can do that week to week. So you can try meditating for 1 minute all week, and then your second week add a second minute, and your third week add a third minute. And just give yourself an opportunity to succeed, right? Set yourself up for success by starting small and not beating yourself up if it doesn't work out right away. All right, so finding that comfortable seat, I want you to sit up nice and tall. If you're leaning back on a chair, you can rest your hands on your lap, or maybe you have armrests on your chair that you want to do that. You can certainly do that. If you're laying on the floor, just stretch out, perhaps put a bolster or a blanket underneath your knees just to help you relax. And now sit up nice and tall, tuck your shoulder blades onto your back, and then let's take a few moments just to breathe. I'm going to go ahead and set the timer now so that we can do our 5 minutes of meditation. So you can cast your gaze down toward the floor, or you can close your eyes if that feels good. I like to bring the tips of my fingertips together and let my elbows rest on my knees and lift my heart. And let's focus on the sensation of the breath moving through the tip of the nose. So notice as you inhale, the breath is cool as it swirls around the tip of the nose. And as you exhale, you can either exhale out through the mouth or out through the nose, and notice how the breath has changed as the body has taken what it needs from the breath. So just take a few minutes just to breathe. And with every exhale, get a little bit softer, release a little bit more. And then I want you to find your breath here. And focus on just counting the exhalations. And anytime you feel your mind wandering, just gently guide it back to the breath. Treat it like it's a puppy you're trying to train. Just be really gentle and guide it back. Counting your exhalations. When you get to 10, count back to 1. And don't forget to gently guide your awareness back to your breath. Gently bringing it back. Finish the breath cycle that you are on. Slowly lift your gaze and notice how you feel. Take a few moments just to maybe tilt your head from side to side. Maybe roll, do a half roll with your neck. Maybe shrug your shoulders and release down. Stretch your arms out and take a gentle twist, however you like to move in your body. And that's your 5-minute meditation. Was it harder than you thought? Let me know how you made out in the comments below. And make sure, don't forget to subscribe. Share this with anybody who you think might find this video or this meditation helpful or useful. And I want to thank you for being here. Remember always to come as you are, to use what you have, and to do what you can. I'll see you next time.